Welcome to the task description of the Sri Lankan Robotics Challenge University Category Competition. Please note that the arena shown in this video is a sample arena. The final competition arena may be different but will adhere to all the specifications outlined in the task document. This demonstration presents only one method of solving the challenge. Participants are free to implement different strategies as long as they follow the competition rules. The competition consists of 6 key tasks, requiring the robot to perform autonomous navigation, object identification, sorting, obstacle traversal, and a hidden challenge. The first task is the plantation task, where the robot must navigate a 6x4 grid with 30x30 centimeter square cells. The robot starts in the first cell of the grid and collects all 5 ping-pong balls that represent potatoes within the grid. The yellow balls represent good potatoes and white balls represent bad potatoes. Each ball is placed on top of a green cylinder of height 5 centimeters. The first row and first column are free of obstacles to facilitate initial navigation. There is 1 ball per column of the rest of the grid, with each located at the center of the respective cell. The robot must navigate the grid while collecting all 5 balls to complete the task. Then the robot enters the second task. Here, the robot must traverse an area with randomly placed broken wall segments without touching them. All these wall segments are white-colored and 10 centimeters high. The road has gaps at least 30 centimeters wide for safe passage. Following this, the robot climbs a ramp with a maximum incline of 20 degrees and safely descends to reach the end of the task. Upon reaching the area, Task 3 begins, where the robot must identify 2 baskets located in grid cells, one painted red and the other blue. The robot can use either April tags on a signboard or a barcode strip on the floor to identify the baskets and put the already collected balls to the suitable basket. The barcode on the floor consists of white stripes spaced 3 centimeters apart. The most significant bit, MSB, is positioned on the leftmost side, while the least significant bit, LSB, is on the rightmost side. Each 3 centimeter strip represents binary 0, and each 6 centimeter strip represents binary 1. After identifying the number, if the number is even, good potatoes go in the red basket and bad potatoes in the blue basket. If the number is odd, good potatoes go in the blue basket and bad potatoes in the red basket. The robot must correctly sort and place the potatoes into the appropriate baskets to complete the task. Next, to enter Task 4, the robot moves into a 90 centimeter by 90 centimeter area, divided into a 3x3 grid. The warehouse contains up to 5 crates, but only 1 crate contains good potatoes. The crate with good potatoes is color-coded based on the sorting from the previous task. The robot must identify, locate, and retrieve the correct crate while neatly rearranging any obstructing crates onto designated spots on the white patches. Next, the 5th task begins, which is the hidden task. The robot enters an area with no prior information about its layout. This hidden challenge will only be revealed 30 minutes before the competition. Competitors must program their robots on-site before competition rounds begin to complete this task. Once the hidden task is completed, the robot exits through a designated opening to proceed to the next area, where the 6th and final task begins. The robot must identify and water a dry plant. This area contains a water tank and 3 plant pots, each with 2 equal compartments, soil and water. The water tank is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 16 centimeters and is positioned to the robot's right, with a white line 3 centimeters wide. 3 plant pots are located to the robot's left, each a cuboid with dimensions of 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters by 16 centimeters. The dry pot is marked with a yellow sticker, while the already watered pots have white stickers. The robot must identify the dry pot, collect water from the tank, and fill the water compartment to a height of 3 centimeters as shown in the demo. After successfully watering the plant, the robot signals task completion using an appropriate method. Once this task is complete, the end of the mission is marked by playing the chorus of Starman by David Bowie. The contestants should adhere to all the rules specified in the task document, and the judge's decision will be final. Best of luck to all competitors.